Let's think of an example, and there's as much difference in these two situations as there is between the Aramaic and the Greek language. Let's imagine that we go to the jungles of South America. We're out in the middle of the rainforest, and there's a man who has never been maybe more than 25 miles from his native village deep in the jungles. He doesn't know what's going on in the world, or that there's a world out there perhaps. But he knows his world very well. And imagine that he's out on a hunting expedition, and off in the distance, he's maybe 20 miles from home. And off in the distance, he hears this loud, roaring noise. He listens, and he follows the noise. He gets to the edge of a clearing where he sees this unbelievably huge yellow animal with very large round legs. And this animal is rolling back and forth in the forest, wiping out trees left, right, and center, just clearing it out. Now he's really quite amazed and wowed at this. And as he watches, this animal stops, and another huge yellow animal that's spewing smoke and fire comes through the clearing and spits out this black, he doesn't know what it is. It smokes, it stinks, it's really yucky stuff. But he watches as this thing spews out this black something and spreads it over this whole area. Then still another large animal with huge round legs front and back comes and rolls back and forth until there's this totally flat surface, one like he's never seen except in some shale rock. Now he is just amazed as he watches this happen over a period of days. He's mesmerized by it. Then these animals go away, and he hears this roaring, thunderous noise in the sky. It's just, and he looks up, and there's this bright, shining, huge bird that comes in and lands where these yellow machines, where these yellow animals have been working. Now this bird is like no other bird he's ever seen. Its mouth is not in the front like every other bird he's ever seen. Its mouth is on the side. And it opens its mouth and it spits out live people. I mean, he is flabbergasted. This is unbelievable. And then it eats more people and it flies away. Now, you and I know what he's observed, don't we? We understand quite well what he's observed. We have the brain cells for what he's observed. But imagine that our friend, having observed all of that, sneaks away to his jungle village. Can he go back to his friends in the jungle and say one true or meaningful word about what he has experienced? Can he say anything? True? I mean, he says he saw a bird. Did he see a bird? No, he saw an airplane. He says the bird has a mouth on its side. Does a bird have a mouth on the side? No, it doesn't have a mouth. It isn't a bird. There's a set of steps. There's a doorway that opens. Does it eat people? No. People get inside the airplane. They get off the airplane. It doesn't spit them out. He can't say anything true or meaningful about his experience because he has no brain cells for what's just happened. There is no information stored in his reality structure that would bring forward anything accurate about what he experienced.